QiYi again at Campbelltown, cubing at the Cube. Nuts, that was a long drive. First up is 3x3. Ready.
8 seconds.
Yep, people are already I'm going to use that one. Ready.
Seconds. 8 seconds.
Man, that should have been like a 22.
So you know full OLL and full PLL?
I know all the PLLs, I know 2/3 of the OLLs. So that previous scramble I didn't know the OLL, so I just looked at.
If you didn't get
Like
that
10 minutes ago I was getting 25s. Again, consistently getting 25s.
That's the bad thing about competing, like you get nervous.
Yeah, I know, but like, I don't know why. I don't get nervous doing anything else I have to do in front of people.
A few moments later.
I swear I'll practice next time. Next time I've got 2H, I swear I'll practice better.
Yeah.
A little later.
Is that it? It's clock. I'll never be ready. Sure, ready, yes. Just make sure I put it upright this time. -5. Nothing. I have a really high DNF rate for clock, so I'm just glad to get a time.
4 seconds.
Just DNF it now.
Many unbearable hours later.
That's exactly what I've done before with the timer, because I'm doing started too fast. So
Didn't make the cutoff.
I didn't get DNF, so I'm happy with that. I've got time, so that's all right. Thank you very much. At least I got the A-perm right. The downside of doing YouTube is I have to talk to the camera sometime.
You have to what?
Talk to the camera sometime.
Oh,